In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable third-party cookies on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the browser and select the menu icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. On the left panel now, select Privacy and Security. And underneath Privacy and Security, select where it says Site Settings. And then scrolling down, expand Additional Permissions. And there should be something underneath Content that says third-party cookies. Go ahead and select that. You can allow third-party cookies or just block them through incognito mode, whatever your preference may be on that. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.